studye, where we extract summarizations, notes, keywords from text, PDFs, documents, images, and URLs to condense information. So this is just a front end of the website, and let's sign up. So Billy, Bobby, Bob, Billy, 123@gmail.com. Sign up. You can say Billy, Bob. Input a password, and let's sign up. Awesome, Billy Bob. Now let's create a study. So let's say we're going to research on electronegativity. Electronegativity. And we're going to search by electrons, for example. And let's search up electronegativity. Let's research negativity. Let's try this link. Okay, this has a lot of text, but we don't want to look through all of this. So instead, we're just going to input the URL. Simple. Next, we want to input our text. So let's say, sure, ThoughtCo. Let's, for example, take this bunch of text and input that. We can have select file, and let's input this ecoqresearch.pdf. And for those who don't know what that PDF file is, it's just a grade 9 project I did about something relating to the environment, I think. Anyways, we're about to find out. So, do click create. And it should take only a second or two just to process all of that. Just with one click. Yep, we got it. So now we have the original text right here. We have the summarized text. So we can see the summarization, electronegativity example. The chlorine atom has a higher electronegativity than the hydrogen atoms. The bonding electrons will be closer to the Cl than to the H in the HCl molecule, and so on. And then we have we queried by electrons, remember? So we have, like, for example, electronegativity is a property of matter which increases to attract electrons of bond. We also have two bonded atoms that share electrons, and so on. We also have keywords found, so important, I guess, names, terms, or values found. And if I don't know ionization energy, I can click on it, and I can easily kind of look through. Awesome. We have notes. So the atomic nucleus exerts a strong pull on electrons. Note that all the text lists both francium and cesium at least electronegativity as 0.7, and so on. Now let's check out the document. So summary of the EcoCube research PDF. So we have types of alvar. There are 5 main types of alvar. I'm not going to bore you to death. This is the summary. We created by electrons. Obviously, this probably wouldn't have electrons in it because it's about the environment. We have keywords found though. So we have Precambrian, the Great Lakes Basin, the Northwest Territories, some keywords. We also have notes found right here. Awesome. That would be very helpful. Now let's check out the URL. Okay, so condensed it down to this much. Wow. So what is electronegativity? Definition of electronegativity is to measure the tendency of an atom to attract a bonding pair of electrons. If atoms are equally electronegativity, both have the same tendency to attract the bonding pair of electrons, and so it will be found on average halfway between the two atoms. Awesome. We have also created by electrons. We also have keywords found again. What are polar bonds? Okay, that's what it is. Okay, we also have notes found. Awesome. And so that is a demo of studye. We can also edit that. Let's say I want to query by something else. So get rid of it. Then just click edit. And it will make those changes. So we remove the URL. So yep. And we can go back to my studies and we can access this again. No problem. Anytime. So we can go back to it, edit it, change it, whatever you need to do. And we can create a new one, for example. Go back. All of it will be stored here. So that is the demo. And then we could just log out anytime. Awesome. So that is the demo of studye, and I hope you find this informative. Thank you. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what the paid feature will look like. So I'm already logged in my phone. We can create a study, name it textbook. And now we can easily activate the camera feature by just clicking select file. select file, we can select our camera. And let's say I'm in class and I have a physics textbook and I don't want to read through part of it. Well, let's do this part. Then what I can do is I can easily just focus on it, take a picture, or it automatically selects it, create. And what the paid feature will do is I will process all this text, get all the text from what you just took a picture of, and process it. So we get a document. At the moment it is not available, but this feature will be available in 1 month from now. So yeah, that is what the paid feature will look like, and thank you.